So, sir, kindly tell us your business name.
My business name is Divine Grace Investment Company.
Okay, so what do you sell?
I sell children's wear, like shoes, canvas, sandals, and all different type of children's wears.
Can you show us some of these shoes?
Something like this. This one
This
is
is nice.
this one is light canvas. It shows light. This one
Very beautiful.
is white canvas for school.
This for female, right?
Unisex.
Okay, unisex.
This one is for school.
Okay.
White canvas for sports for students. And many of them. You have sandals.
Let's see some of the sandals.
You have this. This one is also sandals. Look at them.
This is very beautiful and has good quality.
You have the one that's showing light. You have this one is showing light. You have the one that's showing light.
Wow, I love this. I love this. This is beautiful.
So you have many of them, both light canvas.
And they are all affordable.
All affordable. Yeah.
So you sell wholesale and retail as well?
Wholesale and retail
Okay.
as well.
And you distribute nationwide?
Yes, we distribute nationwide.
Okay, sir. So please kindly give us your contact address, your shop address, your phone number, should our viewers want to get your product.
Our shop located in Trade Fair, Balogu, BBA, Plaza, Bauchi Plaza, Bauchi 2, E010.